today we'll be learning on hyperlinking some text documents. So what are these hyperlink things? Actually, there will be a particular text or image which will be linked to another document or text or another website as an instance, and when you will be linking on that particular case, on that particular link, this page will be redirected to that page, and you will be reaching to a new different page or a new different document or image. So all we have to do is to know about how to make this hyperlinking this text and references. So this is the thing we are going to learn about today. Now let's put it this way, that I am trying to make this particular word parturient, which should be hyperlinked. That means on clicking this particular word we will be reaching to another new document. So how it is possible? In this case, actually what we do, we use some particular tags and some particular attributes and hyperlinking these text and references, and they are as the first thing is followed here is a tag. This a tag is actually an anchor tag. This tag, this is the tag which tells you which exact text or image or document has to be hyperlinked. So this is the anchor tag that we have provided here. Now another attribute which is used here is href. This is the attribute that actually links your text or your image to another text or document. This is known as the hyperlink reference. You are just now making a reference. So now if you want to open a particular image or a particular document or a particular for say text on another page, actually in that case all you have to do, you have to mention this hyperlink reference here. That means the URL or the relative path. So far you have used here. URL is a separate thing that is used in case of your particularly which is used in case of your websites, and the relative path is that which actually determines on which particular location your document is exactly sitting. So first of all, we are trying to open a new image here. In doing so, all we have to do, we have to go here again, and then this is the folder which is known as image. As we did previously, all we are doing here, we are first making the F2, we are just pressing the F2 or right clicking on it. We are going to rename and then copying this directory or folder name. Then we are coming back to our notepad, making a slash over here. Then I am entering into it and now choosing the file name. Suppose I am choosing this City People Street Sun. So all I am doing here, pressing F2 or again right clicking on it, going to rename, and I am copying this whole file name along with its extension name. This is the extension name .jpg. So all I am doing it is to copy this thing. Now I am right clicking on it, copying this file name here. Now I am returning to notepad and all I am doing here is pressing right clicking on it and paste. So the main thing is that I have set an anchor tag with a hyperlink reference of the directory name and the file name. That file name is to be opened here along with its extension name, and this whole thing is known as the relative path. And this is the word that is actually going to make all this trick. On clicking this particular word parturient, we are going to see a new image which is located at this address. So now let's save this page. Go to File, Save, come back to your browser and reload, and you see that this particular word parturient, this particular word is now executing a new kind of display. It is actually blue in color, and it is now getting underlined. That means this particular text has been hyperlinked. And now if we click on it, we will be entering into this particular image. Now here's another problem, that you see that when I click here, this image which is hyperlinked to that particular text is opening in the same window. So what if you want to, if you wish to open that image on different tab like this one? This is known as another tab. So what if you want to do is just to open your image into another tab? So in that case, all you have to do is to mention some particular attributes over here, like you get back to your project and mention this one. Now just go to File, Save, come back to your project, reload. Actually you see nothing over here so far, but now if you click on your linked text here, you will see now that your image, it is now opening on a new on a different tab. That means this is a new tab, and this is your exact website where exactly you are sitting on, and this is another tab where this linked image is now being opened, is now opening into a new tab. So actually HTML uses 4 particular attributes in case of opening your linked document. They are known as the blank, parent, self, or top. All of these things, they have a particular different nature, particular different kind of opening the image. Some of them opens your document into a new window. Now if you use target self, go to File, Save, just reload. Now click, you will see that your document is opening onto the same tab. So all you have to do, if you have to open your document into a new tab or new window, all you have to do, you have to provide here the hyperlink reference. Set your hyperlink reference as a target and blank, and you will see that your targeted document is opening into a new tab. You see here, this is opening into a new tab. So these are all the hyperlink references. Now if you are about to link a separate website, as we are trying to do here, we are trying to link this particular website. This is an entire new website here, which should be located into a different server. All you have to do, you have to link this, you have to copy this URL of this web page, and then you have to come back, and all you have to do is to change your relative path to URL of that particular website. Now you go to File, Save, come back to your project and reload, and all you will be seeing here, if you now click here, you will be now entering into this separate website, into the web page of this separate website, into the index page actually of this separate website. Now in the same manner, if you want to link your image over here, like it is we are seeing that this image source, here is an image over here. Now if you just want to link this image, which will be opening into another linked text or document over here, then all you have to do, you have to first come back here, copy this thing, paste it over here. You have provided here the anchor tag and the hyperlink reference. Set your hyperlink reference as with the address of the website you are targeting to link, and set the target to blank. That means this, on clicking this image, this file or this address, this web address will be actually opening into another new tab, and then you just close your anchor tag, and then you come back, save it, go to File and save it. And now if you come back to your web page, reload, and you click on this link, you see that you will be opening that particular website address or website into a new or different tab over here. So next thing we'll be learning about is the form elements that is present in HTML.